Hey, welcome back to Arcade Games. This is the Hookstown Fair Farm Animal video. This is the Cow and Rabbit edition. You are currently in a livestock area.
Yeah. Oh, little bunny. Oh, look at how big it is. Look at them. Look at the hair. Oh my, it's so big. Look at this. Oh. And now it's going in.
Wow, these guys are huge.
Not this one. Dad, this one's name is Oscar. He looks like reserved champion. Hookstown Fair 2021. First what? First place. Oh, you want first place for the cutest one. Trying to get out.
Oh, these are beautiful. Well, I wonder why they have these little jackets on.
Maybe it's for the it's a baby sheep. Oh my gosh. Baby.
Oh, and that one has no fur. He must have just got shaved.
Oh wait, it's not baby sheep. This one's like this fat too. I'm
Nothing
scared
like
when
the
I'm scared of poo.
county fair and cows. Cows in the county fair.
Cows
you
are
know,
the best thing ever.
they go hand in hand. What is
That
that?
just scared me so bad when
Oh
I
my
looked
gosh,
up.
that thing is so
When
beautiful
I looked up, I was
and
like,
huge. Oh, look, some of those got horns on the other side.
Oh, mountain goat.
Yeah, or a ram.
Yeah, man.
All right, that was a quick look at the barn
That one's the perfect cow.
where the bunnies and the sheep and
Wait, there is more.
a couple cows are.
A cow.
Oh, there's more. All right, let's go check out some more.
Wait, like how are they so big? And look at this little thing. Plug your nose in to get up.
Oh, it's so hot. I feel bad for him. Hey, did you like that video? Then leave a comment. And thank you for watching. Bye.